What is going on, guys? Gambino Brothers coming back at you for another one. Today it's about 2:45 in the afternoon, and I'm gonna do a little solo sturgeon mission today. We haven't been out once yet this year to try to catch any sturge through the ice, so I figured, you know what, had some time this evening, I figured I'd get out and try. So I'm in the Bayport area. It's a pretty common area, most people know about it. Sturgeon seem to be in and out of this area pretty often. It's kind of like a big lake out here, lower current. It's a big basin basically, and they're just kind of cruising around. So I'm gonna go drill some holes with a live scope. It's more of kind of, I mean, people do jump around, but I figure set the shack up, just kind of hang out, run some crawlers and see what we can do. So yes, little solo sturge mission. I'm gonna get everything loaded up and make a walk out here, so we'll catch up with you in a little bit. Alrighty guys, so I hiked on out here and fishing about 32 feet of water right here, trying to get into the bottom of the break, about the middle of the river. And the discharge is right there. As you can see, there's open water right there, so water temp around here is a little warmer. We're gonna get set up. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alrighty guys, so we are all set up, ready to go here. Got 2 big triangle holes drilled. Got the rods rigged up. Going with this kind of how some people do it different. This is what I've been doing for a few years now. This is a clam Mac. That's a clam katana, extra heavy, and 60-pound Power Pro mono backing bobber slip. And then this is like a 3/4 ounce bullet weight, a couple glow beads on there, and a number 4 treble hook. Gonna use some crawlers and glow the beads at night. Gives it a little something extra. And I'll show some live scope footage too, but we're basically just going to drop this down so it hits bottom, give this just a little bit of room to come out bottom. So it's going to be basically just sitting like so right there off bottom, and sturgeon hopefully come by and suck that thing up. But and then bobber, obviously just make your bobber stand up as soon as your bait hits bottom. And they won't necessarily like pull a bobber down, sometimes maybe, but a lot of times it'll either like flatten out the bobber or just a little bit, and they're just kind of down there sucking on it and lay into them, let her rip. So we're gonna get these baited up, get them down, and get chilling and catch you in a little bit, hopefully with a sturge on the other end. Oh, got a school of something coming through here, jeez. Alright, so this one's good to go, and I think this one's gonna pick up better on the live scope. We're gonna have to do a little adjustments to it. Alright, and that's kind of what we got going on, folks. We got our weight, a couple glow beads, treble hook, ball of crawlers. We're going to drop this down. Oh yeah, you can see that one going down. So that's coming down. See that on the live scope. And then as our bobber, so you can see that bait on the bottom right here coming up and down. And then as soon as that's going to touch bottom, bobber stop's going to just make that bobber stand up. We're good to go. Get some drag going. Beautiful. Alright guys, so we got a bobber down right now. Well, I guess I don't know what's up with that. Bobber went down for a second. Could have been a mud puppy, but we're gonna give this a re-glow. Oh yeah, that's sweet. Get it back down there. Oh yeah, there we go. Yep, hooked up. Hooked up. Hooked up. Here we go. Oh. Hooked up. Here we go. Hooked up. Get this heater off. Little guy. Yep. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so we got our first little sturgeon of the night here. Just a little guy, but super sweet. So yeah, that was a good little warm-up for sure. A big one's gonna be wild. So beautiful night out here, probably about a foot of ice. Just been chilling, been marking some fish, some bigger marks as well. Just kind of waiting for him to cruise. So first one of the night, gonna keep on sitting. It's about 6 o'clock right now, so plenty of time left. Gonna get this guy back down the hole and keep on fishing. Alright guys, so first little sturgeon of the night. That was super sick. Skunks out of the bag, you could say. I think this guy's getting bit on by something down there. But make sure now it's good. Gonna get some fresh bait on these trebles and get back down. Yeah, it's about 6 o'clock right now, so got one up top, pretty sweet. Just waiting for a big dog now, so we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Alright, got these baited up, got our glow beads glowing. Gonna drop these back down and get them soaking again. Throw light. Just shorted out my battery, bobber down. Mud puppy, what do you know? Is the GoPro getting this? I think so. So I just shorted out my battery. I have no lights right now and just caught a mud puppy. Here's some little salamander critters right here. Pretty wild. We'll get him back down and I'm gonna figure out how to get some lights going. This bobber was just down. Yep. Oh, I think he's got my other line too. Yep. Little guy here. She got me crossed. Oh yeah, little guy. He's got my other line. Awesome. That's very good. That doesn't look too bad. Alright guys, sturgeon number 2. Little teeny beany guy. But we got some action, so it was about 45 minutes after that first one. So get him back down and fix these lines. Ooh, a little bit of color on his back, that's sick. Heater right by me, that's hot. Come on, buddy. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, we got a mark hitting this one right here. Here we go. Oh yeah. Yes sir. A little better fish. Make sure my phone is over there. Sweet. Oh yeah. Oh, give him some drag. Give him some drag. Oh shit. Oh shit. There we go. Oh yeah. Alright. right. Doing the run. Oh, don't tell me I gotta. Alright. We're gonna tighten up on him a little bit. This is gonna be a better fish for sure. Oh yeah, let's go. Yep. You can see him on the live scope right there. He's coming up. Coming up. It's getting close. Getting close. Yes, sir. All right. Fish number 3, little better in size. That's awesome, dude. Get him unhooked. All right, there we go. Nothing crazy big, but a little chunker. Fun to catch, that's for sure. Awesome fish. Alright guys, so I want to get this fish in the water quick, but 3rd sturgeon of the night, and a little better one, still on the smaller side, but just had a 4-footer roll through. So I want to get these lines back down. I'm going to be sitting for a bit, that's for sure. So, but yeah, awesome 3rd fish. Going to get him in the hole and keep on fishing. Just hooked up into this one. Oh yeah, another little guy. Alright, fish number 4, another little guy. But still got some better marks cruising too. Just waiting for one of them to grab it. But yeah, fish number 4 for a little solo mission. First time out this year. I'd say mission successful either way. So gonna get this guy back down and hang out for a while. See if we can't get a big one still. Alright, we got a bobber down. Oh yeah. That'll be a better one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. You go for it, buddy. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a better one. Get this over here. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a better one. I hope this is on me. Make sure. Yep, recording. He's getting close to the hole. Come on, buddy. Got my other line, I think. Yep. Here he is. Just had to get my other line, huh? That's fish number 5 for the night. Probably 2.5 feet. Nothing too crazy, but still marking them. They're cruising, and it's fish number 5. So gonna get him back about 9:50, 10 o'clock right now. Probably gonna give it another 30 minutes or so. So yeah, fish number 5. Hopefully we end off the night with a big dog. So get this one back and keep on fishing. Here we go. Let's go, badass. Now, deal with this mess we got going here. Alrighty, guys, it is about 11 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna kind of get this packed up. I just ran out of propane too, so it's about 10 degrees outside. But 5 fish total for the night. Nothing too crazy, but still got out for the first night. Caught 5, so I'm fired up about that for sure. Definitely gonna get out a few more times, and I marked a couple bigger ones, so gonna get back out here soon and try to get a big one down. But for now, I'm gonna kind of just wrap it up here. I got about a mile walk in that I'm not looking forward to. So yeah, but appreciate you checking it out, and we'll catch you on the next one.